dear, be faithful to me, grateful. Do as I say, obey, and stay in here.
Vi ste tako dobri, gospodaru. Oprostite mi.
Oprošteno ti je. I zapamti, Kvazimodo, ovo je tvoje utočište.
Moje utočište.
Safe behind these windows and these parapets of stone, gazing at the people down below me. All my life I watch them as I hide up here alone, hungry for the histories they show me. All my life I memorize their faces, knowing them as they will never know me. All my life I wonder how it feels to pass a day not above them, but part of them. And up there, living in the sun, give me one day out there. All I ask is one, to hold forever out there, where they all live on, where what I give, what I dare, just to live one day out there among the millers and the weavers and their wives, through the rooms and gates I can see them. Every day they go about their lives, heedless of the gift it is to be them. If I was in their skin, I'd treasure every instant out there, strolling by the sand. Taste the morning out there, like ordinary men who freely walk about there. Just one day, and then I swear I'll be content with my share. Won't resent, won't despair, hold and then I won't care. I'll have spent one day out there.
Danas će biti praznik, tako sam uskočio.
Ja sam isto.
Odeš iz grada na 20 godina i oni sve promene. Izvinite, gospodo, tražim dom pravde, da ne znate slučajno... Izgleda da ne znaju.
Ja sam prodao 2 konja i ne razumijem što se dešava. On je dao...
Žurite, ajde!
Vidi! Oni se desno su cigani i slepi bi nas pokrali.
Dobro, cigančice, odakle ti taj novac?
Ako te baš zanima, zaradila sam.
Cigani ne zarađuju.
Gradu!
Vidim, razumete se u krađu.
Dugačak jezik, a?
Možda će jedan dan u tamnici malo da te smiri.